Hello, everyone. You may not think that the state with 10,000 lakes would have a groundwater issue, but in some Minnesota counties, contaminated groundwater is a serious threat. The issue is pollution. I know that in my hometown of Waseca, Minnesota, indicated by this clear lake pin, has two extremely polluted lakes, one of them oddly enough being named Clear Lake. They used to be used as sewage dumps, much like many lakes throughout Minnesota. Many lakes have been so polluted that the DNR prevented fishing within them. Pollution such as sewage dumping has created numerous health problems for humans and wildlife alike in these areas. The issues such as mercury poisoning has happened to a few of my friends and family, including their pets. The solution was dumping restrictions, restricted fishing and swimming, and to attempt to give the break to the surface waters. The last solution was aided by a few aquifers, one in southern Minnesota and one around the Twin Cities. Southern Minnesota is known for a thriving agricultural presence, according to local experts, and the Twin Cities population and demand swayed Minnesota to tap into the local aquifer up there, located roughly about where this pin is. Here's the Twin Cities, right up here. Twin Cities. But we have to be very selective on how much we use our aquifers. After all, the use of these aquifers is meant to be temporary as we clean up other sources. The reason for this thinking is because aquifers can take tens of thousands of years to refill, as well as the threat of cone depressions according to pca.state.mn.us. So, I was doing a little bit of research, and this is a little bit of a side note, but I was doing some research, and this is roughly the area of the Twin Cities aquifer, even though southern Minnesota from the Mississippi River pretty much it starts right about here and comes down. All this down here is very, very much filled with aquifers and that sort of thing. Now, my hometown, Waseca, Minnesota, this is Clear Lake. I know, kind of ironic that it's named that if it's super polluted, but they have since cleaned a majority of it up. This was off limits for quite a few years without any aid because the mercury levels were so high in this lake that people were getting sick from eating